Diamond is a jewelry from the universe. Each diamond carries a cosmic origin story, an imaginable natural pressure, billions of years of history, the journey from star, space, earth, and then jewelry. Diamond is a purest crystalline carbon allotrope. It has a number of carbons that are bonded together tetrahedrally. Each tetrahedral unit is made up of carbon that is bonded to 4 carbon atoms, which are then attached to other carbon. This results in a carbon allotrope with a 3-dimensional arrangement of carbon atoms. Diamonds are formed by great heat and pressure deep beneath the Earth's surface, which contributes to the mineral glitter and shine. Diamond has a giant covalent network structure. Each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Each carbon atom forms 4 strong covalent bonds with 4 other carbon atoms. The atoms are arranged in a tetrahedral geometry. This creates a 3-dimensional rigid lattice. Bond angle in these carbon bonds are 109.5 degrees, and the type of bond is single covalent bond. Their structures are very hard, strong, rigid. You know your diamond was born from a dying star, the cosmic outlier, Diamond. These are the true star bonds candidates. It begins not in the darkness of Earth, but in a shattering, brilliant light. What makes diamonds unique? Found they are mainly in Brazil and Central African Republic. They are porous, black, polycrystalline, not clear like a typical diamond. They contain unusual isotopic signatures and microscopic inclusions that don't match Earth's mantle. Their carbon isotope ratios resemble those found in the interstellar dust. They contain hydrogen-rich gas bubbles likely formed in a low-oxygen environment, such as outer space. Age estimates place them at 3.6 billion years old, older than Earth's continent. One hypothesis said they formed in a supernova and arrived on Earth early via meteorite. Diamond is one of the few materials that can survive the extreme shock of traveling through space and entering Earth's atmosphere. On Neptune and Uranus, scientists believed diamonds rainfall through the atmosphere. For billions of years, these newborn stones tumbled through the silent, icy deserts of interstellar spaces. It was a lone traveler, the anonymous speck of incredible hardness, sailing past the ghost of a nebula and the birth of a new sun. Then gravity called it home. Diamonds fell to Earth in a rain of a cosmic debris. It slept, then for more ages. It slept as a continent shifted, as the mountains rose and eroded. It slept deep in the mantle, under a womb of rock pressure of a different kinds, the slow, patient pressure of the planet itself, keeping its structure perfect, polishing its story in the dark. Entirely of those planets may be oceans of liquid carbon turning into diamond. Until one day the Earth convulsed, a volcanic pipe, a narrow chimney of a molten rock surged upward from the depth of the diamond was finally delivered. It shot to the surface in a geological instant, cooling in the open air. For the first time, human hands found it. They pulled it from the earth, rough and unassuming, coated in the grime of its long chimney. A master cutter stirred it under a lamplight, seeing not just a stone but the story trapped within. With the patient, precise blows, they began to reveal the light. Each facet they created was a calculated window, a mirror, a prism. They were not creating the fire within the diamond, but unleashing it, freeing the stored starlight it had, curious for the ears. This is more than an ornament, it is a singularity of narrative. Diamonds can trap ancient earth secrets. When you look into its depth, you are not just seeing the brilliance, you are seeing the aftermath of creations. You are holding the final beautiful echo of a supernova. You are wearing a fragment of eternity, a love letter from the universe. Written in the oldest language, there is light, time, and the unbreakable strength, born from the infinite pressure. This is jewelry that doesn't simply come from a mine. It comes from everywhere. It is forever and always jewelry from the universe. This shows diamonds are more than gemstones. They are time capsules.